Hello and welcome to Picking Principles. Today I've got this long shackle guard padlock that I'm going to try to pick open. It is a 40mm padlock, well weathered, with a hardened steel shackle, and it's got a 5-pin keyway that's pretty tight. So I'm going to use, I'm going to use this 30 thousandths wiper insert in the bottom of the keyway. And once again, I'm picking 15 thousandths. This is an SS Dev though. It's got a thin shaft here and a long reaching point with a nice flat head there. I remember the previous guard padlock that I tried to pick. Remember the little trick I had to do where I had to lift those front pins because the tolerance was really good. Let's see how this one is. So starting at the front, nothing on pin 1. Nothing on 2. Pin 3, a little click on 3. I was going to say 3 is binding. 4 is binding. It'll click out of 4, it felt like. There we go. Got a little bit of rotation on the core there too. And nothing on 5. Coming up, feels like I'm stuck on 2. Let's see if I can get anything from it while I'm there. Nope. Okay, all the way out. 1 is binding pretty hard. Okay, felt like I got a little counter rotation there. And 1 is set. Nothing on 2. 3 is binding. Nope. There's 4 again. Careful to be on it. Don't want to lose that full set. Slipped off. Might have to manually counter rotate that. There we go. And nothing on 5. Back to the front, nothing on 1. Little click out of 2. And 3 got us open. It was binding. Okay, so nice little pick. I'm rapidly starting to like these guard padlocks that I've played around with. They've got really good tolerances. Feels like there's some security pins. I wish there was a way to open it up so I could take a look. But if there are security pins, they're pretty shallow because I never get into really deep false sets, and I didn't feel anything serrated, and maybe only 2 spools in the whole thing. Anyway, that's all I have today. If you like what you've seen here, please hit like and subscribe. And as always, I'd appreciate some comments in the section below for some feedback. Anyway, thanks. Have a great day.